Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload a YouTube video on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of the page, you're going to find the option to select and edit site if you hover your mouse over any site. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, give it a click, and then you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. Once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on this option, and then you will be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. So just wait for it to load, and once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here, go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize and edit your site. Here you're going to find the option to add elements, add section. Here you're going to find pages and video, site design, and so on. So go to the first option, which is add element, and then give it a click. And after that, you're going to be right here. As you can see guys right here, you can upload an image, button, strip, and everything. Or you can go right here directly to media section, click on it, and then click on the upload media button. Once you do that, here, as you can see guys, you have many choices you can upload from your computer. So if you download the YouTube video on your computer, you can just upload it directly from here, or you can go here to link, give it a click, and then go ahead and paste your link right here, and then it will be imported. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.